Okay, this is the Sony A1U XLR block. Okay, modified internally to work with a 3.5 millimeter jack. The low cut on. Mic. This is a cheap, like $15 mic I got. It didn't come with the mic when I bought it. This is the power supply, which is a 9-volt battery with a 6-volt regulator right here, PNP 6-volt regulator wired up again internally to power the XLR block. 6 volts seems to work fine. Gets pretty good power to the mic. It gets pretty loud, and that's my experiment. Hoping to see if it works out and how good the sound is. Let me do some more audio tests. Okay, test. XLR unit with the camera level for the mic set at half. So test. Okay, now I went ahead and raised the audio level on the FDR AX33 so you can hear. It's basically receiving as much signal as it was with the XLR block. So test. This is the onboard mic of the FDR AX33. So I'm going to replay part of the test from the XLR on. So test.